We're on a quest, Patsy, to find the holy content. It's gotta be somewhere around here. Somewhere on the internet.
What's the internet?
Whoa, Patsy! Hello there! You weld with the strength of many men tonight. I'm Spike, King of CAD Design, ruler of the robots. I seek the finest and boldest content in the land to teach me on my technology devices. You have proven your content worthy. Will you allow me to enter? You make me sad. So be it. Come, Patsy.
None shall pass.
What?
None shall pass.
I have no quarrel with you, good Sir Welder, but I must enter this mobile recreational vehicle that's been painstakingly repurposed for content for the internet.
Then you shall die.
I command you, as King of the Comments, to stand aside.
I move for no man.
You are indeed brave, Sir Welder, but there must be a way I can get by.
The holy patrons always triumph.
Viewers, consumers of content, your ever-ready eyeballs shall have the chance to join us in glory, to make them an example in these digital times.
Good idea, O Lord.
Of course it's a good idea. This is the Holy Patreon. Look well, viewer, for it is your chance to get exclusive content, ad-free videos, limited small batch drops, merch discounts, special Q&As, and more. It is your sacred task to head over to our Patreon, www.patreon.com/SwiftGuardStudios, and join the ranks of the heroes and masters to be featured on the side of this holy magnavan.
Who was that?
Must be a designer.
How do you know?
Ain't got shit on him.